I'm going to show you how to make the best juicy chicken legs that are tender and so flavorful. These chicken legs are served with crispy chili potatoes, a refreshing chickpea salad, and a fiery garlic sauce. A simple and delicious chicken recipe that's perfect for family dinners. Without further ado, let's get started. Chef presents. First, we're gonna start with our chicken. Here I've got chicken legs with deep cuts inside. I'm using it without the skin. Make sure they are nice and clean and remove the excess fat. Alright, first we're going with the vinegar and a good touch of salt into that. Vinegar and salt is gonna neutralize any bad aromas that we might have in the chicken. Now using your hand, you wanna give this a really good mix. Or once you have mixed it, just set aside for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Once done, you're just gonna get rid of the excess liquid and we are ready to marinate this. Now for the spices, I'm using a crushed coriander, salt, some of the red chili flakes, smoked paprika, a bit of the ginger, garlic, black pepper, some of the MSG, and finally some chicken seasoning. All goes straight in. A little bit of the yogurt into that, just to bring everything together. A few tablespoons of hot sauce for more flavor. Finally, I'm going with some of the oil. Now using your hand, you want to give this a really good mix, alright? Honestly, one of the best chicken that you guys gonna try. Just look at that. Once mixed, leave the chicken to marinate in the fridge for 3 hours. For the chili potatoes, you want to boil the potatoes in salted water for 12 to 13 minutes until done. Potatoes have done boiling, now we're gonna drain all the water. Now just set them aside until they are bone dry. Once the potatoes are dry, you want to remove them into this bowl. A good touch of oil onto that. And make sure to mix it properly. Now remove them onto your oven or air fry tray and you want to let these cook until they are nice and crispy. Remove the chicken from the fridge at least 20 minutes before you start cooking. Grab yourself a pan, turn the heat to a medium high. A light touch of oil into that. Give it your chicken. Stir from both sides until you have a nice color. Give it around a minute or two on each side. So once the chicken is done searing, you want to remove it onto your oven tray. Any leftover marinade, spread it onto the chicken. Now cover it properly with the foil paper. Now these goes in a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for around 1 hour. We're going to remove the foil cover for the last 15 minutes. The legs I'm using are a bit large, so they're going to take around an hour. We're looking for an internal temperature of around 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. Now in the same pan in which we saved the chicken, we're going to throw in the red chilies. The heat is on low. I've also got 1 spring onion and have a garlic. You want to lightly sweat them. Deglaze with a light touch of water. And really scrape that off, to get all the flavor. Never waste this, there's a lot of flavor in this. Splash of light soy sauce. I'm gonna balance the flavors with some of this mango chutney. That's exactly what we're looking for. Just turn off the heat now. We're going to serve the chicken with this fresh chickpea salad. First, we're going to do the chopped tomatoes. Radish, thinly sliced. Some of the red onions. Layer of the red cabbage. Our boiled chickpeas. Fresh coriander, you could use a bit of the parsley as well. Paste of fresh garlic, squeeze in juice of half a lemon. A light pinch of cumin into that. Salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and some of this extra virgin olive oil. Give that a really good mix. Our amazing fresh chickpea salad done. Leave it in the fridge to chill. So our potatoes are nice and crispy. Now remove them into a bowl. Hit the crisp, amazing. Good touch of salt and some of this paprika, cayenne pepper. Season it properly, alright? I'm gonna throw in some of those amazing spring onions, chilies from our sauce. Adds a really nice touch to this. There we go. Beautiful, amazing. Our delicious crispy chili potatoes done. Alright guys, our mouth-watering chicken is ready now. Looks absolutely delicious. Let's plate this up. A delicious chicken dinner recipe that will amaze your guests. You can serve these chicken legs with a bit of the bread or the rice as well. Our fresh chickpea salad and our crispy potatoes just right here. Now feel free to add some of the sauce on top of the chicken. That looks so delicious. Our mouth-watering chicken with crispy potatoes and salad done. Guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so mouth-watering. Let's try some of the potatoes first. Bismillah. Wow, these are so delicious, you know. So much flavor on them, you know, they go really nice with the sauce that we made. Or let's try our refreshing chickpea salad. Wow. It really brightens up this dish, you know. So mouth-watering, you know. Alright, let's try with chicken now. Looks amazing again. Bismillah. Wow. So juicy and delicious, you know. Chicken is so nice and juicy. So good. This chicken recipe is even perfect for the kids. Just use less chili. Chicken just falls off the bone. Wow, so good. Smell that. Honestly, I'm lost for words. This is so good. One of the best chicken that you guys gonna try. Absolutely amazing, that chicken. Look at that. Like I said before, one of the best chicken that you guys gonna try. So nice and tender, juicy, cooked to perfection. I really hope you guys will enjoy this chicken with your family and friends. Please do me a favor and get this video to 5,000 likes. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.